This is where drunk salarymen spend their time.
Get on this one.
Nice. You ever seen Risky Business? Good morning, fellow travellers.
Good morning.
Ohayou gozaimasu. Here comes a garbage truck. What are we doing today?
Getting train tickets.
Onward travel for Saturday.
Yep.
Now, it's time for coffee. Thank you.
Thank you. That looks beautiful.
She's pretty. There's a little bit of blue sky. This trip we chose to take the JR Rail Pass. It's economically more sensible than catching trains all over the place. You can reserve your seat by going to the ticket booking office, telling them where you want to go, what time you want to leave, showing your JR Rail Pass, and they will give you a seat allocation. Great service. Do you like trains? I'm hella interested in trains. I think we should go to platform 32 and go to the train museum so we can be highly educated about everything to do with trains.
Hey.
Are you excited?
The Kyoto Railway Museum is conveniently located one stop via train from Kyoto Station.
School excursion?
Where?
Just went past us.
Oh,
The museum's main attractions are divided into the main hall, the roundhouse, and the outside promenade.
I swear we've been on older trains than this, just riding around Japan.
yeah, no.
It's the one you can legitimately look in the window at everybody and take their photo. It's the kitchen. First shinkansen, 1964, 210 kilometres an hour.
Bogey?
It's a bogey.
What's a bogey?
That's what you get when you get a cold.
Stop it.
Who's driving this train?
It's me!
Oh no! Out of control! Are you in charge?
Yeah,
Oh.
I was driving it. You know what? The camera took a picture of me.
All right, should we let everyone else have a turn now, hon? Yeah.
That's alright. You can
Have
go.
fun. Have fun.
I was on this train this morning. This is where drunk salarymen spend their time.
Get on this one.
Yeah. You ever seen Risky Business?
You are not putting that in there. No way.
Advances in the railway. How do we get from this to this? There must be a train coming.
Pretty impressive so far.
If you go to the Victorian Museum, it's all sitting outside rusting away.
Oh, really? That's so sad. Here it is pristine. When you value things like this, value the history and the vehicles, and you promote it this way, you make it cool for kids and for the future generations. So I think it's good.
Japanese kids love trains.
The future.
How you doing?
Is this the driver's seat?
Do you think?
I think so. There's only one. I'm too short. Things do. Yeah, You tell me what does what, because you would know.
Would I?
Son of a train driver.
Doesn't mean I am a train driver. Let's go! So we've been under trains, we've been on top of trains, we've been inside trains.
There, it did something.
The second level of the main hall contains the history of everything associated with railways, from cabin decor, toilets, lighting, and even grab handles through to ticketing and gates.
This is how you buy a ticket. Press
Make
the
your
English
selection
button.
below. 请选择第一栏。
Adult. 2.
She's going to give you one. It's okay.
And there's my ticket.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
In the gate. It's a see-through gate.
Here it comes.
First one. Have a drink. What did you think of that?
Yeah, I thought it was really cool.
I like trains.
There's a train.
I like trains.
There's a train.
It's trains going past.
Yeah.
Said my favourite thing about train sets?
What?
Crashing the trains.
You meant to blow them up? Of course. Why else would a grown man play with trains?
You have to tell the next door neighbours. We live next to 2 train drivers. They'll love it.
We're just lucky that we happen to have a couple of train drivers living next door to us. A couple. One is a national driver and one is a suburban driver. Goes out to the vent in the roof. Way out. The exit.
Oh, is it here?
Exit through the gift shop.
If you have any interest in trains, we have to come here. It's very good.
Even if you don't have an interest in trains, I highly recommend a trip to the Kyoto Train Museum. Take your kids.
Oh yeah, that's what I love it.